are sitting here in the exhibit at the Sugar Maple, and we have 9 pieces that are being shown.
You know, when we thought about Gumbolaya with this, thinking about Blackness really, and the montage of like our experiences that kind of, you know, create what it is that we are now.
The unique thing about the art benders is when we do collaborative pieces, you can tell that it's ours. Well, this style particularly, we kind of got inspiration from the 80s and the 90s pop art, and we kind of were going with the collaborative theme of using all of those elements of like the pop art scene from that time and combining them and making them our own representation of Black and brown people. On the basis of the canvas, there's word jambalaya or gumbo, and there's different Ebonic slang words that we put in there, and not only that, we put different things that correlate to our cultures.
So this work is up for a limited time, so come down January 7th to make sure you come and cop a piece. Come check us out, come support me and my guy Dom. Oh, and Nesto too.
Come down to the Sugar Maple, January 7th, 2 p.m., grand closing. Come through, enjoy some vibes, great art, True School, we in here, art benders, let's do it.